How to pin LastPass to taskbar. So first, just basically make sure that you have your LastPass downloaded. So just simply search for LastPass, then go to download LastPass, then get the LastPass for desktop, then click on download and it will redirect you right here. Then just simply click on download again and just select the directory of the download. So I'm just going to select the default one and click on save. Now wait for it to be downloaded, and once it's done downloaded, just simply click on it. And as you can see, it is now downloading the LastPass for desktop. And you just simply need to wait until the process finishes. Now it's almost done. So it's now installing. And as you can see, we now have LastPass downloaded just like that. And while LastPass is opened, what you want to do is just simply right click on the LastPass icon here on your taskbar. And as you can see, you have the option to pin it to the taskbar. Just simply click on that. And as you can see, whenever I exit out of LastPass, I have it now pinned on my taskbar for easy access. And that is how you basically pin LastPass to taskbar.